Alright, so I'm going to the psychology behind why everybody, like every fan base and every artist and them fan base, me should have say, right now, why you hear them love say, this man are the first and this man are the first. You remember me the talk about nobody no love see one man a win. So vybz kartel enter the game and him change the game and everything. So I will heap of first vybz kartel get. Like vybz kartel are the first to do this and the first to do that, and sometimes them try to take with the credit from him and say somebody else did do it before vybz kartel. Even tattoo and them something there. Them rather say a Tommy Lee tattoo first. Even though them never know Tommy Lee. When we know vybz kartel, obviously you don't know Tommy Lee when we know vybz kartel. Vybz kartel make we know Tommy Lee, so I could know Tommy Lee first. You see me? Which part do I get that from? But me I go into the psychology and how alkaline and people love to jump up, but this man are the first and this man are the first on some little simple things. Because them does not like, if you know say yo, vybz kartel are the first and him a 50 and him after so much years him a still the first for do this and first for do that. Some man want to be the first too. So any little thing, them are going to jump up and say them are the first. You see me? But people, me not there have a joke, me not there have a cap. This is real talk.
This is real talk.
Real talk.
DJ Dreadbeard, subscribe now.
Yo, people, welcome back to a brand new episode of This is Real Talk. I'm your host, DJ Dreadbeard. Wanna know how it go? If I real talk, I make sure the video, you like the video, drop a real talk in the comment section, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and if you can afford it, drop a super thanks in the comment section if I real talk, I make. So, make we go straight tonight. Zin? So, the argument I forward from Jeffrey, they must say, alkaline are the first to do it without prison, and the way all their mind clouded by it, them no member say yo Bounty and Beanie do it first. Zin? I talk about that already over the main channel. If you don't watch it yet, you have to go over there and watch it. And that's where the argument I stem from. So, here how them man a deal with first now. Alright, so let me tell you alkaline blueprint. How them man a shoot up first. Zin? Alright, watch this. Look on a little scenario. Hypothetically, let's say alkaline a go copy vybz kartel with the whole private island and two floating hotels. Zin? Here how them say them are the first now. Them are gonna say yo, alkaline are the first artists to have two floating hotel and two private island. Remember I say vybz kartel currently are two floating hotel and one private island. Zin? Them are gonna jump up. Nobody now say them are follow vybz kartel and do two floating hotel, you know. Hear them no? Alkaline are the first for the two floating hotel and two private island. Vybz kartel they do one, alkaline the two, so him are the first. No, but I know so it go. I still vybz kartel have follow which part your inspiration there for do something first, like be the first for do something where vybz kartel never do yet. Be the first for go under the sea and keep something under the ocean or something. Just be the first. Don't piggyback on the idea and then say you're the first. So that way alkaline and him team and him fans them been do throughout them whole career. Like yo, me do it by myself. No, you not do it by yourself. A producer bust your sunshine and liquid them and everybody jump on your career, but you say you're the first artist for bust without a vybz kartel help. Bro, you know how much artists bust without vybz kartel help? I mean I talk in the internet era. Me I talk back in them time the Ayaktian, Cargo, Munga, Honorable, thousand yo. Me can call a whole heap of name like hundreds of artists. They were boss like me can't just pick out some random name, but why? You don't know that, bro. You don't know, so I never go pick out no random name. The first two names they were forward to me, I just Ayaktian them and Cargo, and because them love brag say them boss during the Gully and Gaza time. So that's why for them names stick out, but you have a whole heap of other artists, bro. The McGregor them, Tree, you know, all of them, yo, Conscience never affiliated with Gaza or Alliance. People there they were boss without vybz kartel and boss without Bounty and boss without Gaza. But you market yourself and say, yo, you're the first artist. We do it by yourself. Them cut popcorn key. A man cut your key. So, yeah, we have to give him props still. Him know what him a do, you know. When him say them something there, him know what him a do still, you know. Because I hit the fans them would run with and say, man cut your key. Me do it by myself, man, cut your key. You see me? But I still a Gaza producer you link with. I still something I have to do with vybz kartel I link with, which is not nice. You understand? So them on the whole blueprint have to say, yo bro, you're the 2 boat and 1 private island, but me the 2 private island. You're gonna see it all over the internet. Alkaline are the first dancehall artist to have 2 floating hotel and 2 private island. Everybody mind, them can't reason it and say, yo, but a vybz kartel influencer, because all along we hear about Jamrock cruise, and all along over the reggae side, like dancehall people never did think say them can do it. You know why? Because reggae is more rock steady and laid back and decent people and uptown people do reggae. So that's why a Jamrock cruise and Berry Sammons and Buju Banton, and that's why them people would have more the cruise. We never see a dancehall artist the cruise, because dancehall artists they would have say a Buguwaga and unruly, and them are gonna mash up the ship, and you see me, so nobody not think about it. So now a vybz kartel I do it, and him a do it bigger than the Jamrock cruise. It's like a dream weekend out of the sea. It's a dream weekend private island that, you know, bro. The brand there I got take over from Dream Weekend, like it's an upgrade from the Dream Weekend experience, bro. And a vybz kartel think about that. Or a vybz kartel them did things so them could have approach, or them could have sign off on the idea there with a vybz kartel. So now it not hard. It may sound away, but it not hard for Alkaline them do it too. Because I saw the competition still, you know. Okay, it was successful with a dancehall artist, and this are the man name we hear a call up with vybz kartel. So here we are gonna do it too. Competition. And these people and these brands them understand competition, because if there is people out there were willing to spend money because of competition, like willing to go up on this trip because of an Alkaline name, why not make it available? Why not make it available if people willing to spend double the amount, all because a rivalry, and say, yo, we can't make vybz kartel are the only artists do it. There's nothing out there where vybz kartel alone can do. Our artists can do it too. So if it costs $5,000 to go on an Alkaline cruise, we are going to pay it, because we can't make it look like a vybz kartel alone. That's all we are going with this arena thing, you know. Rivalry, you know, we can't make a vybz kartel alone do it, because you see, if vybz kartel alone do it, and Alkaline show never sold out, then we would have take a L. And we can't take a L by all costs. We can't take a L. So if it a cost we can't take a L. Why you think Alkaline first them forward up publicly with stream farming and gift card for buy album? All because them know say if them never do that, them wouldn't in the convo. Them would have sell like all one 200 copy and one 300 copy, just like every other artist where nobody now buy them album, or just dancehall artists where people no buy album. But them did have to go the extra mile and stream farm and do all kind of thing. For them they sell all one 2,000, 3,000 copy. I think with top price. Remember top price we see a bag of phone in our room, man. About 3,000 phone in our room line out like our phone store, and the whole of them are listen Alkaline album. That's the first time we know about stream farming. People are do them thing they publicly, you know. I saw top price they get for sell the amount of copy where it's selling, you know. All of this a rivalry, like pan him own. Me tired for sell this, me sound like a scratch record, but pan him own without vybz kartel, bro, Alkaline them fall off long time, and which them fall off long time now, but where album is concerned, I some like a 500 and 400 copy them would have sell, man. Cause what you fight for? What you go buy it for? Most people are buy it because them want to say them beat vybz kartel or them close to vybz kartel, bro. You see me? But people, if a real talk me I make, drop a real talk comment in the comment section. Like the video if a real talk me I make. Subscribe to the channel. And if you can afford it, drop a super thanks in the comment section if a real talk me I make. You see the video up on the screen, you can watch it. At the video when me drop yesterday. Yeah man, but I'm DJ Dreadbeard. This was another episode of Real Talk. Signing out.
Real Talk. DJ Dreadbeard. Subscribe now.